How to change background in Capcut. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to change background in Capcut. So to do this, you need to go to the Capcut and you could find the new project. So I'm going to go ahead and find the new project, or I'm going to go and adjust with this. So this is the one. Next thing what I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and select the particular video, and I'm going to remove the background. So if when you go to edit section, you can see remove background. So I'm going to go ahead and remove, and I'm going to go ahead and select the area that I want to go ahead and remove it. So you could see, you could go ahead and change the intensity, so or you could just keep it. So I'm going to go with the auto remove and click on try now. Once I've actually done with this, so after you've done removing the background, what next you want to do is go to the home page, and here you could go to background and you could go ahead and add a background. So once done, you go to the background and go to images. Then you could select the one that's stored in your gallery. So as you can see, this is the one. So this is how I've added or changed the background in Capcut. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.